Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Please hit the subscribe and the like button. You're watching a live trade of us day trading Apple options. As you notice, we are in the red. We took a loss of $375 in the morning when we took the trade. So many people asked, what do you do after you take a loss in the trade? Do you just walk away? Well, we're going to answer that with this live trade. As you see, we decide to get back in the trade. We are anticipating Apple's stock price to go lower. So that's why we bought put options, because the put options price goes higher. But when you trade throughout the day, there's something called volatility. There's a lot of movement. And sometimes that trade may not be ready yet. So nobody's perfect. No trader is perfect. And we also have something called risk management. So if you get in the trade and the trade goes against you and you start losing money, you need to know what you're willing to lose. And we were willing to lose $375. Not necessarily that amount, but it was a specific technical level, which we call support or resistance, that the price went above. That was a sign for us to exit the trade. And we talk about that in a lot of our videos. So watch some more of our videos that we have here. So we decide to get in this trade again, because the trade setup is still clean. This is our desired trade setup because we anticipate the price to go lower. So we enter back in the trade. As you see, we're up to 15 contracts. We eventually get 20 contracts. So you'll notice that we have a chart up there. This is a stock chart. Now we use these charts and we use multiple charts. We put a lot of factors into considering why we enter a trade and why we also exit a trade. We feel even more confident later on in the afternoon that this trade will play out. Now, is it 100% guaranteed? No, but we trade in probabilities, right? We trade in probabilities to anticipate what we see or foresee happening. So we get back in this trade and the trade starts to work out now. Very, very controlled. Very, very controlled. Now, one thing, every time you take, it's not always going to be the same. Sometimes the money comes very fast. Sometimes it comes very slow because you're dealing with different market conditions. We feel very confident about this trade because of the time that we're looking at and the way our trade setup is even clearer to us right now. So we're in full position. We're in 20 contracts. So as you notice, we drew different levels. These lines are called support and resistance lines. Now these support and resistance lines let us know different areas of price where we want to see it go below if we're going short or buying puts, or different price levels we want to see the price going above if we're going long and buying calls. But since we expect the price to go lower, we are watching these lines because we want it to break lower. As you see, we're in this trade and it's starting to work out. We are starting to eat up our original loss. Now, as a newbie trader, you want to at least be green or flat in the market. Now, flat means you don't even want to have to take a loss. This would be a perfect opportunity for you to make your money back, log off your computer, and have an amazing day. But since at the Profit Room, we trade multiple markets, we had an amazing time in the morning trading futures and also Forex. So us here trading the options is almost like a bonus for us right now. And even though we took a small loss, we are able to financially sit through this trade for the bigger move. So that's a personal, individual decision. As you see, this trade starts to work out great. We're up over $1,000 now. This was the move we were looking for in the morning that it didn't happen. So we had to exit that trade. So as we look and see, we start to scale out. We scale out 15 contracts. Now we're holding 5. Now the reason we do that is because we want to be able to keep that extra money, right? We are grateful for this trade. This was the huge move we were looking for. Now with these 5 contracts that we have now left, we're comfortable. We're able to sit back and allow that trade to really play out. Allow that trade to really play out. Then eventually, we're in this trade, we're going to start to exit all the position. We're going to exit all the position because now at this time, we're going to be in the trade almost an hour. In almost an hour, we're going to make some amazing profits in here. Over $1,000 in the hour. Amazing trade because we didn't give up on the trade. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button if you want to learn how to trade like this, where we keep risk management as priority and know how to maximize your profits. Come over to theprofitroom.com, where we focus on education, application, and success. So we'll see you soon.